Hey, what up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna be fixing the Mustang headlights, and it's because I get so many nice compliments. They're like, yo bro, look at your nice yellow headlights. They're all tarnished out. As you can see, they've seen better days and they're yellow compared to the fog lights, so it's an eyesore. And I've been meaning to do it, but you know, just never had time to get to it, and today's the day. And I also had this for a while already, because you can see I drove like the frame rails, the heights and everything when I was fixing the Mach, which didn't happen. But yeah, today we're gonna change those, and I'm gonna show you the wiring that I got. This is just a simple wiring with the ballast. And the bulbs that I have, I lost mine 55 watts. These are 35 watts. Should be fine for right now, but I'll get a new ones, and I'll get probably new ballast. And these headlights are gonna be retrofitted later. I'm gonna sand it down, open them up, and I'm gonna install these projectors in them, and then they're gonna be nice and bright. And we're gonna have a nice projection line versus how we have it right now. All right, so let's get to it. Let's get these headlights out, which is really simple in the Mustangs, and let me show you how I wire my stuff. I think all headlights should be like this. Seriously, the simplest way to take them off, and they're just cut over here in the corner, but nice solid pull. I mean, you wouldn't do this if you have a nice bumper, but I'm gonna be repainting this, so it's fine. And bam, they're out. Here are the two differences. You can see how much sun ate this one versus how this one. These are eBay lights. They're inexpensive, but they're not the best. So that's why retrofitting this should, you know, change it out. Because usually like these inside are never like in the right angle. So you always get this like weird projection going down the road. All right, so let's get to it. The wiring is done. Before I put the battery and test it out, I just want to show you how I did it. The lump of wire is here, the ballast is bolted over here on this side, and the wiring goes through a loom that goes under the radiator and comes this way to the passenger side. And right over here, that's where I have my ballast. I'm not sure how much you're gonna see, but it's tightened right there. And then the rest of these I'm gonna zip tie back over here. The next thing is just put the battery on, and I will connect it to a positive. Usually what I like to do is I like to run it off the fuse box, but this one is kind of short, so it's just gonna have to come from here. And these are high-low beams, so you get like 3 wires, so the bulbs kind of go up and down. All right, so let me put the battery on and see how it looks. All right, here goes nothing. This is always fun. Okay. Is one of them not working? Yep. One of them is not working. Why? We do not know why. Disconnect it. Let me see. High beams. Alright, let's see. Alright, those are the fog lights, and they're LEDs. And then HIDs. Let's see if they flicker. Alright, so they look blue on the camera, however they are 5000 kelvins and they actually look white. For some reason the camera is catching it to look like blue. They're still warming up. And then we're gonna compare them to the GT because the GT still has the halogen ones. And we'll see the difference. See how it's like flickering? I guess I'm gonna have to upgrade them to these bad boys. So I'll just change this quickly and see what happens. Alright, so the new lights are in. And build quality never disappoints. Look at this thing right here. But I'm not complaining for 87 bucks. So let's turn off the lights. Let's see. New ballasts are in. Fogs and HIDs. And these things are getting brighter and brighter. They're humming a little bit because they're warming up, but once they warm up, they should be good. It's pure white. I'll show it tonight so you can see how it looks pitch dark. There we go. And these are pretty bright. The reason these didn't work because my other wiring had a surge protector on them, but the new one doesn't. And I also got these for a GT. These are just a low beam, no high beam bulbs, single low beam. And this is the new version, I guess. So I'm gonna see if I can run this without running all the wires. If I not, I'm just gonna hook up all the wires that I have, and I'm also gonna see how they are. Probably post it on my Instagram if you guys want to check that out, how bright they are. But these are warmed up right now. And I went with 5000K, as you can see. They are not like, they're not blue. They're just like white, a little bit of yellow hue, and that's what I kind of wanted because you get most light at 5000 kelvins versus like the fogs, which are 6000. So yeah, I'm not sure how much the camera is gonna catch with this, but let's turn the HID zone. And then these gotta warm up. Still looks blue, but it's brighter. As you can see, as I walk in the middle, you can see the shadow from the HID versus there's no one from halogen, which should be right here. And it's night and day. Here's a barrel look inside the garage. As you can see, all my full lights on, and you can still see a nice pattern, which is pretty good looking. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.